How to apply Walmart job online. Well, you can definitely apply for a Walmart job online, and for that what you actually have to do is you have to open your browser and simply go to careers.walmart.com. So go to careers.walmart.com right over here. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below as well. When you're over here, you will see different sort of positions, right? So just search for a job title that you might want in this case. So let's say you want to do an assistant director and something like that, then you'll find and you can search for them. You can search in a designated location as well, and it will show you a list of the vacancies and the posts that are available for that position. And once you've done that, you'll see the location as that, and once you've done this, you'll be able to view all of the requirements for that particular job, and you'll be able to apply for them based on your CVs. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically apply Walmart job online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.